Good morning and namaskar everybody. It is a great delight and excitement to be in the most advanced country of the world, and that too in the renowned city of Chicago, a city with several unique characteristics and achievements. I convey warm regards of my countrymen to all those who have gathered here, and I am very happy, hopeful that the show Print 09 will foster greater cooperation and coordination between America and India to contribute together to the print world. Mr. William K. Smith, NPS Vice President, Global Programs, Mr. Michael Hurley, NPS Director, International Trade, Mr. Yaping Johu, NPS Director, Greater China, and Mr. Viren Chhabra, a renowned personality in the world of printing industry and Senior Director, NPS India. I congratulate you all for the grand show Print 09 for which we all are here. I also thank you for the invitation extended to me and to my colleagues of All India Federation of Master Printers. NPS is promoting products and services of its member in the world. In India, also NPS is doing research in printing, facilitating educational programs, taking part in international trades and working for improvement of printing industry. The Indian printing industry had great leap forward since India got independence 62 years ago. India has built print relationship with over 120 countries in the world. At this stage of progress, the day is not far off when India emerges as the biggest outsourcing hub to over 220 countries of the world, providing them print products and services from the simplest to the most sophisticated equipment. According to the report from PIRA International, the Indian printing market was valued at $12.6 billion in 2006 and is forecast to reach $25 billion in 2012. In fact, it has almost always superseded the GDP growth of the country. It has a current workforce of 2 billion people with 18 printing engineering colleges, several diploma schools and many training institutes. More than 1,000 technocrats pass out from these institutes. Almost 77% of the printing houses are family owned and so therefore closely held. Over 16,000 publishers are turning out over 80,000 titles every day in English, Hindi and 18 regional languages. The Indian publishing industry has assumed global dimensions. Dear friends, at present the Indian print industry is witnessing a quality growth rate of 12% annually, and the market value of printing, consumable inks and machinery exceeds $30,000 million. The comprehensive contribution of the Indian print products is evident from the share of market value scenario as follows: packaging 24%, newspaper 21%, book and stationery 20%, commercial and promotional 9%, printed advertise 7%, security printing 4%, labels 4%, magazine and periodicals 2%, and others 9%. There has been a massive investment in plant and machinery in print industry, and many state-of-the-art printing presses have come up in every corner of the country. World-class print production facilities have been established. There is enough of raw materials and inputs for the industry. Manpower is improving, at 70% of the population is below of the age of 35 years, and this younger generation is English literate, IT trained, and we are educated enough print technocrats to manage the machines and industry. Due to liberalization and globalization, the printing industry is progressing at a very fast pace by adopting modern technology and by employing professionals. With the concrete plans of Government of India, the infrastructure such as roads, posts, and communication facilities is fast improving. Government is providing facilities for development by promoting public-private participation schemes. The Indian printing industry is on its way to become an ideal outsourcing hub. The recent recession has just about left a very little effect on the industry. Future of Indian print industry is very positive and bright for investment too. Dear friends, the facilities available in India as compared to other parts of the world are more economical due to lower labor cost and availability of basic infrastructure. India is therefore attracting foreign companies from all over the world to set up their production units in this country. Foreign investments regulation have been relaxed. With the continued improvement in the print industry, India is in a position to offer the most attractive printing outsourcing propositions. The industry and economy has benefited from this advancement to the technological upgradation. The convergence of telecom, IT and media technologies has been instrumental in fast growth of the industry. All the above factors have put Indian print industry under spotlight. The industry has emerged as a preferred destination of outsourcing. India is poised to become a leading hub for print and publishing activities. Some global trends are also helping India to emerge as a prime mover for print production. In majority of the developing countries, the number of printing units are gradually reducing, whereas in India, they are increasing every year. This is all due to the heavy demand within the country as literacy is growing. Exhibitions such as Print09 help raise the status of print industry. They provide a global opportunity to the visitors to see state-of-the-art print and related equipment through live demonstration under one roof. In the end, I would like to say that All India Federation of Master Printers offers a platform to all our friends to help them establish contracts in India, share research data, facilitate collaboration, proposal for mutual benefit, and the development of the printing fraternity in general. The 7th edition of PAMEX, the International Exhibition of Printing and Allied Machinery, is going to be held during January 19 to 22nd at New Delhi, India. India is a big market for machinery and equipment, and I am inviting all the exhibitors to participate in PAMEX. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts with you. Thank you. Jai Hind.